What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev YouTube channel. I'm gonna be making chicken drums today with veggies and we're gonna go ahead and grill it. So let's start cooking. Okay, so first let's go ahead and start the fire and then we're gonna go ahead and season the chicken. Alright, so let's start seasoning the chicken. I'm gonna be using sour cream. Here we're gonna add sriracha sauce. Mustard. Garlic paste. Black pepper, lemon pepper, salt, thyme, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, and we're gonna squeeze 1 lemon. Go ahead and mix this up. So we're gonna set this aside for approximately 15-20 minutes until the fire is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some veggies now. I'm going to use olive oil, black pepper, salt, okay, I'm gonna use this rack for the drums. We're gonna go ahead and hang it on this. And then when it's ready, I'm gonna rub some barbecue sauce on this, hickory barbecue sauce. We can fit about 14 drums on this. Okay, we're using apple chips to smoke it. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke the drums. I'm gonna let it cook until it reaches about 165 degrees. Okay, our drums are almost ready. We're gonna go ahead and add the barbecue sauce now. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss out on upcoming videos. Our dinner is ready. Tastes delicious. It's awesome. So we're gonna go on with our night and enjoy our dinner. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.